In this video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Deliveroo Rider application. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you would like to completely cancel your application underway for Deliveroo, or if you would like to start over, all that you have to do is talk to their customer support. They will be able to completely delete your application, and you can decide if you would like to go over it again anew. So what I recommend is that you go over to the Deliveroo website. So instead of using the mobile app, go to deliveroo.co.uk, and in here under Partner with Us, switch over to Riders. They will redirect you to riders.deliveroo.co.uk. On this page, tap on Menu, go over to Support, and you will be able to see the support page. If it doesn't load, just try again, and eventually you will be able to browse through all of the sections available under customer support. So as you can see, once it finally loads, you will be able to browse through everything. So in here, they have a lot of common questions. All that you have to do is find the option to contact them. Usually, you will be able to find the contact us button under any of these frequently asked questions, but you can look for a specific one. For example, you can look for withdraw or like, can I withdraw from this contact? And eventually you will be able to find the option. But as long as you tap on contact us, you will be able to get this done. So go over to rider or applicant, whatever is best suited to describe your specific position, and you will be able to contact them. If you are already a rider, you will have to include your name, email address, rider ID, city, how can we help, subject, and then your message, and you can describe it in full. And if you are an applicant, go over to the second option and you won't need to include the driver ID. And once again, you will be able to choose the reason. So something like I'm on the waiting list or cancel my application, which would be best suited for this video, and then you can go ahead and include any attachments or message as needed. You can describe that you would like to start over again or completely cancel it according to your preferences. I hope I was able to help you on how to cancel the Deliveroo Rider application. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.